So, everyone. So this is Manas. I'm from Jorhat, Assam. Currently, I'm pursuing my full stack data analysis program from Industries Helping Hands. So that's all about myself. And if I talk about how did I got to know about the Industries Helping Hands, then I'd like to say that I was scrolling the YouTube for some data analysis topics. At the time, Industries Helping Hands was live streaming a data analysis class. So I accidentally clicked on it, and I got to know a number of things during that session. And I also interacted with Swati and Nishan sir and Swati ma'am. So after careful observation, I thought that why not give it a shot to learn from this wonderful place. So before joining Industries Helping Hands, I was self-exploring all the data analysis topics. So once I got into this platform, so I made Swati ma'am. So she has been taking my classes since I joined this platform. So the learning experience has been very good. So whenever I have any doubt, I directly mail her so that she can arrange a class for me. So the one-to-one interaction is somewhat which fascinates me a lot. That's why I joined Industry Helping Hands, and I think till now the learning experience has been very good. So yes, so first of all, I would like to say that before joining this platform, I was self-exploring, as I have already said. So the projects that I was building, those are not industry oriented. I mean, I lack it a number of things like the deployment thing. So once I got into this platform, so Swati ma'am told me about the full life cycle of a data analysis project, and she also helped me in making a number of projects and also in the deployment process. So I would like to say that the efforts of Swati ma'am has been tremendous, and she has helped a lot in project building. So data analysis is all about bringing the data to life. So basically, we draw insights from the data. So the projects that I have made while I am in the Industries Helping Hands, they are industry-oriented projects. So I got to know a number of things from the projects that I have made. So the business insight that we need to draw from the data sets is something that I got to know only after getting into this platform. And Swati ma'am has also helped me in realizing what we can basically get out of any kind of data. So I did my master's in aerodynamics and propulsion from IIT Guwahati. So while I was doing my thesis work, so I got to know a number of softwares. So I had to do the analysis process of the multiple blades that the project that I was working on. So what happened that once I get the simulation results, I need to analyze the results in Excel software. So it was kind of the first introduction of me towards this field. So after that, I got very much fascinated by the power of data. So after completing my masters, I dive deep into the this field, and I explored a lot, and since my post graduation, I have been honing my skills into data analysis field, and very much in fond of it. So it's very good, I would say. So if someone has some kind of doubts, so he or she might not be able to directly contact a mentor in other kind of institutions, but in the industry's helping hands, we have the leverage that if we have some doubts, then we can directly mail the memo sir, so that she or he can arrange a doubt clearing session uh, to resolve the issue or resolve the doubt. So it has been very much helpful for me. So I would definitely recommend this. Uh, the, the course, but only if someone is really into this field. He or she has the intention of getting into this field, then only one has to pursue this field. Otherwise, I wouldn't say that for the sake of job, uh, uh, he or she should get into this field. No. So if he or she really wants to get into this field, then yes, this course is really helpful and it would be helpful, it would be beneficial. So one has to be first of all, one has to be very much clear that he has the intention and he has the abilities or the attributes prior to getting into this field. I feel. So once once he or she settles that yes, I have the abilities or attributes that I can become a data analyst, and sure shot he or she can opt for this course.